Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Quotex, picking the asset and time frame you trade. Choose something you know. Next, add the volume indicator from the Indicators menu and place it beneath the price chart so you see bars and price together. Once done, set the period to 14 for a balanced view and choose bar style. Make sure volume is not stacked over candle colors. These first steps get data flowing immediately and let you observe volume spikes along price movement in real time. Now interpret what the indicator shows. You watch for sudden volume spikes, which often confirm breakouts or signal reversals when price reacts strongly. High volume with trending candles means conviction. Make sure to compare spikes to the recent average. Treat readings 2 times or more above average as meaningful. Also, combine volume with a trend filter like a moving average or momentum tool, such as RSI, to avoid false signals. This layered approach reduces noise and improves trade quality. Finally, use volume confirmation to time entries and size your position. When a breakout aligns with high volume, increase conviction and place a stop beyond the nearest structure. When volume is weak, stay out or reduce size. Once in a trade, monitor volume for sustainability. Declining volume on a move suggests fading momentum. If you see no volume bars or delayed updates, reload the chart, switch time frame briefly, and verify your internet. That fix resolves most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.